This is just a brief introduction of how to convert units, say maybe from centimeters to meters or inches to feet, but first we have to remember how to multiply fractions. Remember, it's just top times top, bottom times bottom. You get 6 over 12. Then we have to simplify that. Just divide by the greatest common factor. Here it's 6, and you're just going to get 1/2. Well, there's another way of thinking about it. You could also just cross out what's the same on both top and bottom. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. Also, 2 over 4 is the same as 1/2. Once that step is done, you can again just multiply top times top and bottom times bottom, 1/2. Let's use that on the first example. Let's convert 200 centimeters into meters. And we're going to have to find what's called the conversion factor of centimeters and meters. Now let's remember that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So if we write those as a fraction, 100 centimeters divided by 1 meter is 1, and 1 meter divided by 100 centimeters is also 1. Those are our choices to be our conversion factor. That's what we're going to multiply times 200 centimeters to turn it into meters. Well, which one are we going to use? Well, we're turning it into meters, so let's use the one with meters on the top. Again, we're going to put 200 centimeters over a 1, so we can just do top times top, bottom times bottom. Now, we'll see that centimeters is both on top and the bottom. We can just eliminate those. And meters is going to be left on top. So when we multiply 200 times 1, we're going to get 200 meters. And on the bottom, we're going to get 100. Now we just divide by greatest common factor, which is 100. We're going to divide by 100, divide by 100. Top, we will have 2 meters, and on the bottom we'll have 1, so our final answer is going to be 2 meters. So let's go ahead and try another one. Let's convert 24 feet into inches. And remember that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So our conversion factors are going to be one of those, either feet over inches or inches over feet. Well, which one are we going to use? Well, we're converting into inches, so we're going to use the one with inches on top. Let's go ahead and write that. 24 feet over 1 and 12 inches over 1 foot. Well, feet are on top and bottom, and inches are left on top. Then we just do 24 times 12 inches, and we get 288 inches. Very simple. Feet were eliminated because that was on the bottom. Let's try another one. What if instead of going from feet to inches, let's go from inches to feet? We have 36 inches to feet. We're going to use feet on top, 1 foot over 12 inches. Again, let's cross things out. Inches are on top and bottom. Cross those out. And we go ahead and multiply that. 36 times 1 foot, 36 feet. And 12 is on bottom. All we have to do now is simplify what goes into 36 and 12. The greatest common factor is 12. You just divide by 12 on top, divide by 12 on the bottom, and your final answer is going to be 3 feet. So when you're converting units, it's always going to work the same. You find your conversion factor, the thing you're going to multiply by, and then you figure out what's going to be on top. Well, here we were converting to feet, so we use the one with feet on top. So you can do that.